In today's video, we'll show you the 5 best makeup removal cloths that will save you time and energy when cleansing your face, so you can go to bed or start your day with hassle-free spotless skin. Looking to get rid of your makeup without resorting to harsh chemicals? Look no further than Erase Your Face Makeup Removal Cloths. This cloth is made of 100% microfiber and uses patented technology to break down makeup so that it can be washed away with water. These makeup removing cloths are ideal for people with sensitive skin or those who want to remove all of their makeup, including waterproof formulas in one step without using corrosive chemicals or awkward pots and pans. The light and refreshing scent of cleansing citrus will leave your face feeling clean and refreshed. Moreover, you can use the cloth anywhere on your face, including the area around your eyes and nose, with no risk of clogging your pores. They're also completely biodegradable and eco-friendly, so you can dispose them without worrying about harming the environment. So whether you're new to using makeup removal products or have been using them for years, these cloths will work great for you. Rainbow ROVERS Wanderlust Makeup Remover Cloths are perfect for removing all types of makeup, from single-use to all-day wear. They are made with an oil-free formula, a lightweight, soft fabric that won't scratch, and a combination of potent cleaning agents that will gently remove your makeup, even tough waterproof mascara and eyeliner. The cloths are also paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free, so they're gentle on your skin and won't cause any irritation or blemishes. Additionally, they're versatile enough to be used on both the face and the body, ensuring that everything is clean and residue-free. The cloths come in a convenient travel-sized packet, so you can always have them on hand for quick makeup removal. Overall, if you're in need of a quality makeup remover cloth, make sure to check out the Rainbow ROVERS Wanderlust Makeup Remover Cloths. If you have a sensitive, irritated, or reactive skin, and need a makeup remover that is gentle on your skin, then you can't go wrong with Cogen Dew Spa Cleansing Water Cloths. This makeup removal wipe is made of 100% natural cotton and is soft to the touch, so you can rest assured that it is of high quality and safe to use. Its advanced microsuction technology will also help to effectively remove all of your makeup and skin impurities, leaving your skin flawless. Plus, it's super affordable and easy to use. Just simply wet the cloth and apply it to your face in a circular motion. They've been also verified as safe for sensitive skin, so you know you're getting the best product for your needs. So if you're looking for a makeup remover cloth that is both effective and gentle, then the Cogen Dew Spa Cleansing Water Cloth is definitely worth checking out. If you're sick of dealing with makeup removal obstacles every time you want to remove your makeup, then you need to check out the Eurow Makeup Removal Cleaning Cloth. It's made of 100% soft cotton muslin with a unique micromesh technology that effectively traps and removes makeup. This cloth has a convenient loop design that makes it easy to hold while working and will ensure that you apply consistent pressure, which will produce better results. With Eurow, you will never have to worry about damaging your skin with harsh chemicals or using outdated methods that can leave your skin feeling irritated and uncomfortable. This cloth is also simple to use. Simply wet the cloth and apply it to your face, working it into a lather. Therefore, it's a great option for anyone looking for a quick and simple method to remove makeup that will leave their skin feeling clean and refreshed. No one beats the original makeup eraser when it comes to makeup removal, because those who wear makeup are well aware of how challenging it can be to take off. This cloth is made of millions of tiny hair-like polyester fibers that stand straight up and work together to reach and suction all makeup and oil from your pores when wet. With its absorbent material and antimicrobial protection, it can easily remove waterproof formulas while keeping your skin safe and healthy by treating it with care. You can use the short fiber side to gently remove makeup in circular motions, and the long fiber side to exfoliate the skin. This reusable fabric is also gentle on your skin, so you can feel confident that you're taking care of yourself, and the non-scratch surface ensures that your skin remains safe and untouched while using this cloth. So whether you want to remove your makeup before an event, or simply get rid of any leftover product on your face, the original makeup eraser is the tool for the job.
Thanks for watching. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe. For more updates in the future, don't forget to press the notification bell.